now children, today let's start with chapter number 17, that is our pollution. So what is pollution? Our earth is beautiful planet we find around us in our environment. Both living and non-living thing together makes up our environment. Plants, animal, water, air, life. We live on are all parts of environment. So we all want to keep our house neat and tidy. Similarly, we need to save our environment. We can save our environment by preventing it from getting dirty. The unwanted things that make our environment dirty is called pollutants. The process of making environment dirty is called pollution. Let's see how our environment gets polluted. So let's study about air pollution. All living things need air to breathe. We cannot live without air, but the air around us gets polluted because of some of the activities we do. So the mixing of air with unwanted particles is called air pollution. Smoke from vehicle and factories makes the air polluted. Burning of fuels, forest fires, sandstorms, and bursting of crackers on festivals and marriages also pollute the environment. So air pollution is bad for both plants and animals. It can cause various disease of eyes. And so land pollution, throwing garbage and household waste in open pollutes the land. The soil can be polluted by overuse of fertilizers and other harmful chemicals. Right? Factories waste pollute the land around. Plastic material used as a plastic bag or toys do not rot or decay, and hence they can use land pollution. So next is water pollution. The water is being polluted by the waste that we are flowing. Water is essential for us. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, and many other activities. We get water from ponds, rivers, lakes, and other one. We also get water from wells and tube wells, but water gets polluted because of some of our activity. Throwing garbage in water bodies such as river, ponds pollutes their water. People pollute water by taking bath, washing clothes. And there are some waterborne diseases like cholera and diarrhea. What it may cause many other bodies. Now we have noise pollution. Sounds which is not pleasant to our ear is called noise. देखो environment को जैसे आपका लोग हॉर्न ब्लो करते हैं, ठीक है, लाउड स्पीकर चलाते हैं, क्रैकर्स बस्ट करते हैं, मशीन की जो साउंड होती है, what are these? They are all causing noise pollution. Now controlling pollution. So for controlling pollution, plant more trees and more trees, keep their plants. Say no to plastic bags, use paper, cloth or jute bag. Stop busting crackers, they pollute the environment. Right? Throw waste in the covered bins. Avoid throw garbage in the water bodies. Do not waste paper because it is made by cutting trees. Listen to music and television in low volume. Right? This is all things you should follow to minimize the air pollution. Right? Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.